Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. A few updates. I did move back to Texas. I'm back home. I'm also back in school pursuing my second bachelor's degree, which is crazy because it's a whole different field than what I graduated with back in 2019. But I do want to vlog more just because I just really love sharing my life with you guys. And also, it's just like my own personal diary that I can look back and reflect on from year to year. So today, I'm getting dinner with my besties. So I'm gonna bring you guys along and I'm just gonna show you guys a good time. Let's go meet up with my friends. I'm gonna show you guys the restaurant that we're eating at. It's called Hatsuyuki Handrolled Bar and it's in like downtown Fort Worth. I absolutely love this place. The sushi is so good and their hand rolled, oh my god, so good. My favorite thing to get here is their bay scallop hand rolled and their toro. It's so good and they actually open at 5 and it's 4:30 right now. We want to get there right when they open so we don't have to wait because it's really small inside. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to my vlog. Please like and subscribe.
Andy, did Annika tell you what happened last weekend at Kimley? Oh yeah, we were all super close to her. I'm just like, it was like such a bad. We didn't know where we were. I didn't know where we were.
I had to pick them up in the snow.
I know.
It was the worst weekend to black out too.
I'm following Katie's vlog.
It's been 40 minutes. So I got my lashes done for the first time in my life yesterday. I can't believe I waited 24 years to get my lashes done because like it just saves so much time and my eyes are really small. Like when I smile, it looks like my eyes are closed. You can ask all my friends. Just like love that light. I wake up and my eyes are just, they look bigger and brighter and like I don't have to do anything to it because they're just done. Got the classic feel and I didn't want to like do too much to my eyes. I didn't know how I would react to like the glue and everything, but yeah, I really like them and just in time for my Denver trip next week. But I do wanted to show you guys some packages that I got in the mail today. I'm so excited for them to come in and I was hoping they'd come in before I pack for Denver and they did. I do have 2 more clothing items coming in, but they're running a little late. I think they should be coming in 2 days, which is perfect because that's when I'm going to start packing for Denver. So yeah, let me show you guys the clothing items. The first piece of clothing that I want to show you guys is this sweatshirt that I got off of ASOS. It has a turtleneck collar, which I don't wear often, but I'm starting to like it as I get older. And also very loose, like ruffled sleeves and cuffs at the end, which I really like. This is just a dark brown sweatshirt that, you know, you can wear every fall, winter, and you can even like layer it with a jacket. And I would pair it with, you know, just regular ripped jeans. You can even pair it with leather pants if you have some, or even just like regular black leggings. I love neutral color clothes, so I'm just really happy to add this to my closet and my wardrobe, and I think it just looks great. The next piece I want to show you guys is this custom sweatshirt that I got off of Embroidery by Audrey on Instagram. She is a small business owner based out in Oklahoma, and I actually found her through my line sister Emily, who's an ambassador for her. But going with the flow of like the neutral colors, I really like. This is just a neutral sweatshirt with the Chanel logo, which I absolutely love. It's like classy and comfy all at the same time. You could wear it again with just regular jeans or pants, and then you can also dress it up. So the last piece that I want to talk about is this snow bib that I got off of Amazon. I think it was around like $40, which is really affordable for a snow bib. Now that I have one, I can like go skiing and snowboarding all the time. I just literally threw it over my outfit that I showed you guys before. But it's also nice to just have ski bib whenever I want to go skiing in Colorado or Lake Tahoe, or like overalls. You just kind of put it over and then zip it up. It's insulated, it's very heavy duty, yeah. So the last accessory that I paired it with was this beanie. It's a North Face beanie. It's kind of like maroonish color, light maroon. I don't really know what this color is. This would be my ski outfit, snow outfit, and I kind of dig it.
More like I don't like the other style.
Oh really? I love that.
Zoom. I don't have a dumb. How did you do it?
wakes me up sometimes. Starting my biz. And it's like high school drama, but like the mom. She's wow, like, the quality is so clear. You can see how big my forehead is. Like she's really shy. You can see how oily my hair is. Me too. Just got back home not too long ago. And I'm in charge of this little one for a little bit. Say hi. Say hi. Hi, camera. I just got up, but I got another package in the mail today. So my second package from ASOS arrived, and I think I got a pair of jeans and a jacket. I'm actually super excited about the jacket. I've been getting into jackets lately, and I just think that they like go well with so many different outfits. Okay, this is kind of cute. It's like, it looks like a men's like typical plaid shirt, but it's jacket style. Like, it's soft, and I love the color. Not in the right clothes, but I think it's kind of cute. I love the length. It fits really well on my arms. I got a size small. Okay, I like this. Ooh, look at this. Okay. Should I put it on? It looks like it fits. I didn't really know my size. This is a 25, 26. So the waist is 25 and the length is 26. I'll put it on for you guys. Okay, not bad. I like the fit. It fits well on the butt area. It's kind of short on my feet. I like the look. I do. I decided to take a break from studying because I've been studying for the past few hours. And I'm gonna go to Best Buy to buy a dash cam for my car. I actually had a dash cam in my old car, but I got in an accident and the dash cam was really useful in that crash. And I haven't had one since. It's been about 3 years. So I'm gonna go to Best Buy, get a dash cam for my car, and then just go outside, get some fresh air, take a break, and then I'm gonna come home, back to studying. I think I'm gonna study for another 5-ish hours. Hopefully I can just get all the info memorized, and then I'm gonna take my exam. That way I don't have to wait until tomorrow. I can just get it over with. So I just went in to get the dash cam real quick. I got the Insignia 4HD dual camera dash cam, so it records outside and inside. And I looked at the reviews and it had really good reviews, and I'm excited to put this together. So this is the back, this is the front, and I like that it has a camera here, so it records the inside. And so I'm gonna put it together. It worked. 21. What time is it? 4:44. 4. This is a workout. After like 30 minutes of trying to figure it out, I finally installed it. It's up here, and the power cord runs all the way against the lining of my car, goes down there, runs down there, inside my glove box, and then it connects on my For this week's vlog, I hope you guys really enjoyed watching little clips of my life. I really enjoyed putting this together. And like I said before, I want to keep doing it just because I want to just have it as my personal diary. I'll see you guys next week for another vlog.